Hey creators, how's it going? My name's Pete and I'm the guy who runs this channel, and in this video if you guys are really bored with giving your clients, your students, your tribe boring PDFs which are just swiped through, they're kind of really boring, you create them on Canva and they're just really 2D, but how about if we could create a 3D PDF where your students, your clients, your tribe can actually swipe through these books, and also they're interactive. How pretty cool is that? So you can put in interactive buttons to lead them into your courses, your programs, your upsells, or whatever it is. So you guys be able then to give out free content to your tribe, which is absolutely awesome. So instead of having bland PDFs like this, you can actually have awesome interactive PDFs with little swipe throughs just like this. Now how cool is that? So in this video tutorial guys, we're going to show you exactly how to get this set up in literally 2 minutes. So let's get into my computer and I'm going to see you guys on the inside. That didn't work, but here we go. Okay, so here we are at the hard end. Okay, so this is a site that you guys are going to be looking for, which is Flipsnack. Okay, I will leave the link inside the comments anyway, so you guys can grab that and start making your little flippy books. Okay, so this is their dashboard, and all you need to do guys is sign in, whether that's through your Google or your Facebook or email or however you want to. Just sign up. It's totally free. Okay, they do have pricing options. Okay, let's take a look at the pricing options there, but you guys won't need them. Okay, so $0 per month, which is absolutely great. Okay, we can create up to 15 pages per ebook. Okay, and it's unlimited publications, which is absolutely awesome. Okay, or unless you want to go in and remove the watermarks, multiple languages, text search, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, we can start paying the £12, £24 or £48 per month. But we've created tons and tons of these, and we're still on the free plan, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's get back into the main page. Alright, so here we are then. As you can see then, digital flipbook maker for stunning magazines. So this is just a little alternative which you can create instead of sending out blank or kind of bland PDFs to your tribes. Okay, as it says there is upload your PDFs. If you hang out in this video guys, we're going to show you exactly how to upload using PDF files that you've already created with inside of your Canva or whatever kind of platform it is that you create your uploads in or your PDFs in. Okay, so there's some more options there, but you guys can take a read through that later on. Okay, so let's get in and make a flipbook. So I'm going to click on to my flipbooks as we already have an account for this site. Okay, so I've got a beginner's guide to chatbots and the one you guys, the iBook demo, which you guys are looking at right now. Okay, so let's take a look how quick it can be to create a book. Okay, it's really simple guys. Okay, so what we're going to do is, if you look to the left hand side here, we've got upload a PDF or create from scratch, and in this video guys we're going to show you how to upload from a PDF. So what we're going to do is we're going to swip into Canva. Okay, so I'm just going to come into all my designs, then we're going to find A4. Okay, so this is the format you guys need to create your PDFs in, which is A4. Okay, so we've created then our PDF inside Canva. Okay, like I said, that you can have 15 pages inside of the iBooks. I like to call them iBooks. I think they're just called little flippy books, but I like to call them iBooks. Whether that's copywritten by Apple, we just don't know. But anyway, so we've created our 15 pages with inside of here. Well, there's only 10 pages on this one. Obviously you guys can go in and create your own kind of PDFs for your brand or your business and literally put on whatever you want to. Okay, so once we've done that, then all we need to do then is download as normal in PDF format. Then that's going to save that into our files. Right, so let's get back into Flipsnack. Okay, so we're going to upload a PDF. Okay, and now it's flipped to the screen. Turn your PDFs into a beautiful flipbook. Okay, so let's upload the files. Okay, let's find the iBook demo PDF. Okay, now it's going to just go in and render and upload that into your own Flippy Snack book. Okay, there's loads and loads of options once we get in, once it's uploaded, and we're going to show you this too. Okay, so that's uploaded. Let's click on to the next. Okay, so we're in. It's just rendering right now. Okay, so we're in. All right, so if we take a look on the left-hand side of here, okay, yes, there are premium stuff for the premium upgrade for the paid program, but you guys are not going to need that today. So if we take a look at the black, navy blue, grayish background here, okay, we can go in and change that depending on your brandings and stuff like that. Okay, you can hit that plus button there, and you can create it white if you want to, or if you prefer the girly pink, you can have a girly pink. Okay, I'm just going to go with white so you guys can see this a little bit more. Okay, so allow full screen. Yep, show controls in mode, in normal mode. Okay, controls, enable PDF download and stuff like that. Okay, but we don't have to worry about that. So we've got the thumbnail navigation, which is basically this here. So your users can come in and swipe it with their finger or hit it with a mouse, and they're going to go through that little book, which is pretty cool, right? Okay, so we're going to come down is auto flip pages. This is where it flips themselves. Okay, you can add your logo inside of your widget hard book cover. Okay, so if I click on to the hard book cover, then you'll see there's a little line here. All right, so this looks more like a hard book if you guys want to create more of a hard book design. Okay, and then we've got the flip sounds. Okay, so every time I swipe the page, okay, it's going to go whoosh. Okay, make a funny little noise as we go through. Okay, it's quite user interactive, which is pretty cool. So we've got the highlight on links and shadows on pages. So you guys will see the shadow down the center here. We can take that shadow out if you want to. Okay, I like to leave it on because it just makes it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, so once you guys are done inside that, it's ready to go. We can hit that next button. Come into here now, then it's going to ask us as a description. Okay, we're going to put into the categories. Okay, I'm just going to whack in marketing. It's entirely up to you. All right, and then we can hit that publish now, and now it's ready to go. So as we can see here, we've got a direct link which you can then send to your tribes. Okay, or we can just go direct, hit that share on social media, and you can share across any of your channels. It's got it here, the Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Tumblr. Okay, or we can email it out to our users. Okay, it's got the embedded script there, which is no problems. Okay, really simple. We've got the downloads. We've got the inside of downloads. The only one you guys can access is the download GIF. Okay, I don't really like that one, but it's just one of those things. And if you guys want to embed it inside of your website, inside of your course platforms, or wherever it is that takes iframe code, which is just this part here, we're going to hit copy, and then we can add that into our course sites. And like I said, we've got that share button there, which is really simple. And then we've just got the basic settings, which is in here, but you guys need to upgrade to do that. Pretty rad, right? So that's how we create a little nice flippy iBook, ebook, whatever you guys want to call it. Okay, it's so much better than just giving out a PDF, normal, flat, boring download to your tribe. Okay, try this out, guys. Let us know how you feel about it. Let us know if you're going to use it. If you're going to use it, guys, make one and share your link inside the comments. And as always, guys, be sure to like, comment, and share, and hit that little bell button there to get notified every time we drop a new video inside of our channel. And be sure to subscribe, please. Okay, it really helps us create content for you guys literally almost every freaking day, but we're going to get to that stage where we're going to start producing amazing content for you guys every single day to help you grow your social media following in your tribes, and in turn obviously giving you that financial reward for your efforts. Guys, thank you for tuning in, and I really hope that you got something from that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. I really need to get better at this thing, man. I'll see you later.